Ever wondered how to access exclusive tokens? Today, we'll unlock the OST Token Xchange, your gateway to unique opportunities. First, navigate to the official website, onesmalltown.org. Log in using your registered email and password. Access to My Wallet. Once logged in, head to My Wallet from the main menu. Select Token Exchange to explore the available tokens. Familiarize yourself with the layout and options for trading, ensuring a seamless experience. The Token Exchange is designed for ease of use, allowing you to view token details and make informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer, the platform caters to all. Ready to buy? Browse and select your desired token. Click Offer to Buy to submit your offer. This initiates a direct communication process with the seller, ensuring transparency. Experience secure transactions without third-party interference. Once payment is confirmed, the seller approves the sale and tokens are transferred to your wallet. It's straightforward and efficient. Managing your tokens is just as simple. Check offers on your listed tokens under My Listed Sales. Approve sales only after receiving and confirming payment by checking the Actions section, ensuring a transparent process. Enjoy the ease of managing your assets with confidence. The platform's design ensures clarity and simplicity, making token management a breeze. By mastering the OST Token Exchange, you unlock a world of opportunities. Ready to dive in? Visit the OST platform today and start your journey. Together, let's explore the future of trading. If you need assistance on the OST platform, please email supportplatform@onesmalltown.org. Thank you. See you in the next video.